In this video, we're going to talk about the one thing you can do today inside of production that'll give you more time to work on your business instead of in your business. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help you start t-shirt business from home, wherever you at. And like I said, man, we're going to get to it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. All right, so basically, one of the first things that I tell people who are like, I'm heavy into production when they come into the six-figure blueprint program is that we are going to change this one thing, because you need to actually take yourself out of production. So it varies depending on where you are inside your business and how busy you are inside of production and what you're actually spending your time on. But that's the very thing we got to figure out if we're going to take the time to work on the right things that's actually going to help you elevate. Because I know what we think, the money is made by actually making garments, but the truth is the money is made long before the garments are actually printed. At that point, you're just managing the client and you're delivering a product at the end of the day. But what you actually need to be doing inside your t-shirt business is spending the time to find more orders. So right now, I'm here in production. It's probably about like 2:30 right now. And I came in to print this job because I actually have a deadline. If some of you guys were on live with me, I started to print this job and I had to borrow some white ink. I kind of ran low. I tried to be proactive and borrow some ink until mine came. But ultimately that ink was just been sitting too long, or for some odd reason, it was crazy thick. So I wasn't able to actually print earlier. But what I ended up doing was I was actually able to go back home, pretty much have my ink come. But at this point, it came late in the day, so I didn't really want to get back in here early. I like to print during off time, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to get up. I'm either going to come at like 10 o'clock, or I'm going to end up coming like overnight, and I have it ready in the morning, no big deal. And you never really want to come up against your deadlines. However, the thing that I'm discussing right now, and I'm telling that you could change, that'll actually help your business, is you can stack your production. By stacking your production, again, depending on how busy you are, how often you're printing, but for the most part, if there's a person, owner, operator, or maybe a small mom and pop team who doesn't have a consistent workload production all the time, what you'll find is that you can either do it one of two ways. You can either stack your production for one day or multiple days, or you can stack your production for the morning time. Now, what I like to do during like busy times is I like to structure myself to actually stack my printing for early in the morning. The earlier I can come in here and be done, I'd much rather do that and get off of work at 12, 1 o'clock when the phones are ringing, when things are happening, things are moving, people are coming into the stores. You guys seen all last year, where I'm actually able to not stop my production to deal with people. So I'd much rather get up at 6 in the morning, come in on a consistent basis, and stack my production up for the morning. That way I don't have to worry about getting pulled away during times where, you know, I'm in the middle of my day and the phone is ringing, or people are calling and asking for quotes and different things like that. And I need to service these people, but I'm actually able to get off work at 12, go to lunch. And then the second part of my day, I start to work on the administrative tasks that I need to get done. That's where I'm calling, I'm making invoices, I'm following up and lining up things for the next day. So if you are a person who works consistently every day, you show up to your shop or wherever you print at and do all of those things, what you want to do is try to stack yourself for a certain amount of hours. Hey, this is dedicated to production time. This is dedicated towards admin time. Now, the other thing you can do, and if you're not super busy but want to grow and want to figure out how you can get more jobs into the queue, is to actually stack your production for one day, right? You can pick, like, I typically would say hey, maybe I'm going to produce on Tuesday or Wednesday starting out. And what I'm going to do is if I got 5 jobs, 6 jobs, 10 jobs for the week, I'm going to get everything prepared that when I go into the shop or when I go into the office or the garage or wherever I'm printing at, that I am methodically putting my head down on Wednesday and I am doing nothing else but getting these jobs off the board. All right, now, I know what the objection here is going to be, well, Stan, you know, if I'm only printing on one day, what if I got a deadline? Listen, if a deadline comes up and you have to meet a deadline or any of that type of stuff, then you go ahead and you meet that deadline. You may have to go in to production early or late like this, or maybe you even have to produce shirts on a day that you didn't intend on working. But what you're able to do in this case is spend and find hours that you get. I know from like 1 to, I don't know, till I got to get Dallas from daycare, which is like maybe 5. I know at that point I'm doing admin work for the rest of the day. When I leave the shop, I might go get lunch. I may come back to the shop and hang out in the shop and do the things here, or I may just go home, right? And that's the option. And one of the things that we love about entrepreneurship is that freedom. But the freedom doesn't work if you're not consistent about how and when you're going to work and what you're going to do. So by stacking that production up, now you actually have free time to figure out exactly what it is that you're going to do to actually grow your business. Now, when we are in a situation where we're always in the shop, where we're printing or doing the production, sometimes we drag our ass and we do not get things done in a timely manner. This is one of the things I kind of grew fond of and appreciated when I got that security job for the first time, which was my first actual job that actually sparked this YouTube channel.
Welcome to T-Shirt Side Hustle. I'm Stan Banks, and I thought it would be fitting to make this first video while at my full-time job. Now, I am off the clock, but I am still here. I just wanted to bring forth something that would teach people how to make T-shirts, how to develop a T-shirt business on the side. I feel like I can give a lot more content, a lot more insight than what's out there right now.
How you guys doing? Again, this is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side. So I'm here today to talk about pricing of a single vinyl T-shirt. All right.
But what actually happened was I found myself doing all of the admin work at my security job, doing all the artwork, getting all that stuff prepared. And what it actually gave me time to do was when I went into the shop, I was very methodical. I was very dialed in. I knew exactly what I had to do and get done. And it gave me this unmatched focus inside the business that allowed me eventually to grow and to figure things out in a lot better path. Now, listen to me closely when I say this. This isn't groundbreaking news, but it's something that will actually matter. Once you figure out that you got idle time and time that work on admin stuff, the first thing you do is you can knock out artwork, you can knock out invoices, you can do some of those things. But I also would like you to allocate maybe 25% of that admin time to figuring out the structure to actually grow your business. So if you're in position and you don't think you have time inside your print shop, I have the tools that you need when it comes to building out the actual structure of your business, whether that's fixing your pricing, whether that's actually figuring out how to market, or if you're one of those people who this is a side job, you got a full-time job, but you're actually struggling to find time to actually produce the work that you're finding, then the place to go is to the 6-figure Blueprint program. That is a place where we work one-on-one and in group settings to actually help you grow your business to 6 figures and well beyond. If you want to find out if the program is a good fit for you, go down below in the description, book a call with the team, and at the worst case scenario, if the program is not for you, you'll actually have a roadmap to grow your business no matter where you are revenue-wise today. We'll give you the 6-figure printer roadmap that is actually a roadmap to getting you all the way up to 7 figures. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.